What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. Check this out. I purchased this from the TikTok shop. It cost me £65 and this is the viral PRITOM 10.1 inch Android tablet, and it comes with a lot of accessories inside of the box, hence why look at the size of this box. Check it out. Really nice packaging as well, black and red, both of my favorite colors. So this is a tablet PC model M10. It's from China, as is everything else. Loads of trademarks as well. Just before I get started and unboxing and reviewing this tablet, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect and also. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification to upload any video, you'll actually be notified. So in this video today, we'll take a look at the box, then we'll take a look at what we get inside of the box with the accessories, then we'll take a look at the design of the tablet, then I'll tell you some specifications and features of this tablet as well, and then we'll take a look at the operating system and we'll download a few apps to see if the software is what it says it is when it comes to the specifications and features. And if you want to see any other videos with this tablet, let me know in the comment section below. Also, do let me know if you have purchased one, because these are going viral on the TikTok shop. So let's get started. I'm going to talk you way through it. So this is a really large box. It's got a TrumpPad internet tablet. That is what their barcode is. There's a PRITOM 10.1 inch Android tablet, code B10T black, and on the other side it's just got a bit more information. So let's open it up and let's see what we get inside of the box. This box is massive, but like I said, it did cost me £65, and we are going to see what £65 actually get you. I have done a few other products from TikTok shop as well, like the nanny pads and all that stuff, but the packaging is nowhere near as good as this. So here is the tablet. This is the Tab 10 Max, but just before we take a look at that, let's see what else we get inside. So you also get a customer satisfaction leaflet, the quick start guide leaflet, and also a Bluetooth keyboard, which this looks very familiar from the nanny pad I've unboxed and reviewed previously. So if you want to check that out, check out my previous videos. You also got a black case with it as well for your tablet, and that just shows you what design it is when it comes to the camera. Now we have a box here as well full of goodies. Let's see what we get inside. So you've got a stylus pen, feels really cheap and really light. You also got a Bluetooth mouse, definitely the same one that we've been seeing on the nanny pads as well. You also got this, which is a tablet holder, which is definitely a good feature to have. I'm going to take this out of the box because I will need that, so we'll leave that outside. That's one good thing. And you've also got USB type A to USB type C charging wire. So let's take a look at the tablet, and here we have it. Taken out of the plastic packaging, some of the information that comes with this tablet. It's a 10.1 inch IPS display with a 1280x800 resolution. It's got 3 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of memory, 6000 mAh battery. The front megapixel is 2 megapixel front camera, and the rear is 8 megapixel. So let's take this plastic sheet off and let's see what this tablet is like. Look at that smart camera, LED flash and a single camera lens, even though it looks like it's a double one. You've got the PRITOM logo there, PRITOM at the bottom, and a few trademarks made well, through trademarks. You got a speaker grill at the bottom. You've also got volume rockers, a power button. No idea what this is, to be honest. What is this? No idea what that is. That's USB type C. Nothing on the other side. Let me see if I can open this. So basically that opens up and you can put your micro SD card, what takes up to 512 gigs as well. So that is the design of the PRITOM 10.1 inch tablet. Let me just give you a bit more information about the features and specifications. Now you know a bit more information about this tablet. Let's switch it on and see what it's like. See if there's any lags into it. Straight away it boots up with the logo Tab 10 Max powered by Android. It doesn't actually say in the specifications as well what kind of Android it's actually running. Oh, I missed it. So, but we'll find that out later in the video anyway when we test it through the Geekbench, if that actually downloads. So that's the startup logo and tone, if there is a tone. It is quite long as well. It keeps doing that, to be honest. The intro loop is just keeps going through the loop. Oh, there we have it. English, yes, we'll start off with that. Today would be nice. Set up offline, yes. Continue, yes. Greenwich, we'll just start off with that. It's a bit slow though, to be honest. Well, what do you expect anyway? It's £65, so to be honest, there are other £65 ones out there that are similar and also maybe even faster. Take these off. I'll have to sign into my Google to download some apps. Getting your tablet ready. This may take a few minutes, probably not. And there we go. Probably about 7-8 seconds. And there we have it. That is my PRITOM tablet. What do you think of the display? Look at the apps that are already preloaded on here as well. So you've got some Google preloaded apps with no games, just YouTube, Gmail, sound recorder and stuff like that. You've got these 3 buttons at the bottom, which I bloody hate. That's your Google apps right there. Swiping it down from the left will bring up your notifications, and if you swipe it down again, it brings up your shortcuts, which you can add more on as well. You can see. So there are some of the shortcuts that you can use, and you can actually add more as well if you'd like to. Same again if you swipe it from the left and the right. Swipe up and you can actually toggle, hold on to the home screen, change your wallpaper widgets and your home settings. So to be honest, these are the apps that are already preloaded on here. You've got Find Device. They're all Google apps as well, to be honest. So let's go into settings. And let's see what happens when it comes to settings. Let's turn the brightness. Where's the brightness? All the way up. There we go. So yeah, let's go into settings. So you've got network and internet, connected devices, apps. We'll go into about as well to see what kind of Android this is actually running. So your flash devices, battery, 6000 mAh battery's got 91%. Memory and expansion. So expandable RAM 9 gig as well. Wow. Storage, it is showing 64 gig, which is right, but will it be different when it comes to the results? So you got display, brightness level, screen out time, color night, auto rotate, screensaver. You can't change these bottom 3 buttons at the bottom, which is a shame. Accessibility, talkback, and a few other features there. Live captions, security and privacy. You got a screen lock, device lock, and passwords. You can put passwords onto it as well, passwords and keys. Digital well-being, Google services, system as well. So if you want to reset it, it does take a little bit of time when it comes to when you press the button, then it comes on there. So about the tablet, so Tab 10 Max, MDN unknown, model M10, Android 15 apparently. We'll find out about that. So Bluetooth, uptime, build number, and so on. So it's pretty basic. For £65, you're probably getting a cheap tablet with a lot of accessories. That's what actually lures you in with the accessories, the nice packaging. But it's not bad. I'm sure this tablet probably will only cost about £30 to £40 if you wanted to get it separate, because there are better tablets out there for £65. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to download Geekbench. Let's see what results that actually shows this tablet has really got. Right, let me just show you something. You can't download Geekbench because it's not available on this tablet. So I've had to download a different app. So this is device info. After a bit of time, we have got the details up. So it does say PRITOM M10, Android 15, vanilla ice cream. Here are some of the other informations about this tablet. Battery, internal storage 51.5 gig. That's probably because of the system on there as well. 4 cores. Device, let's click on device, M10. Click on the system. So it is running Android 15 as well. So here is the other information if you want to see it. CPU, 4 cores, Rock chip RK3562 chipset, a 64-bit processor. Coming to storage, as you can see here, it's got storage details on here. Battery, 85%, but yes, it does say capacity 6000 mAh. Display 1280 x 800 resolution, 10.03, which is still good. Camera, is it? Let's see, talk about the camera. Please read this. Okay, got it. So the back camera is 8 megapixel, the front camera is 2 megapixel. Sensors, apps and tests. One sensor available on this. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the TikTok shop viral tablet, the PRITOM 10.1 inch Android tablet. £65 it costs at the time of this recording. It is a bit flexible as well, so if you want me to do a teardown and a bend test, let me know in the comment section below. If you know anyone who wants to buy one of these, make sure you share out this video, because just in case they want to actually see it. But yeah, I thought I'd purchase it just so you don't have to. Would I really buy it? Would I use it? No, I wouldn't. There's better tablets out there for £65. This is just a cheaper tablet, but you get a load of accessories which are also cheap as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Like I said, if you've got any other videos with this tablet, let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to tear this down, see what's inside, and do a bend test to see. Look at that, it's got a bit of play in it, to see if it actually survives. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you again for another video.